Okay. So this is the Teleprompter 19S. This is our company's latest model. This Teleprompter is a teleprompter monitor. So this teleprompter monitor in particular has a lot of special functions. Some of them have a clock functionality and they have a tally functionality as well. The clock and the tally functionality, you can freely interchange them and they're really good to use and they're really easy to use as well. So this teleprompter in particular has two different models. One of the models is the 1000 nits model and one of the models is a 1600 nits model. So depending on what you need, you can buy either the 1000 one or the 1600 one. Looking at the teleprompter, this one is not as thick, so you know this one's the 1000 nits one. The 1600 nits one would look a little bit more thick on this side, right? So after this, we're going to talk about resolutions. The resolutions of these monitors in particular, there's a lot of different resolutions available. And the good thing about it is they're freely adjustable as well. So you can change them depending on the project you're working on, right? So talking about the digital source inputs, there's a lot of inputs available, which makes it a really good product, right? So as you can see here, there's this video input, there's this VGA out, VGA in. There's SDI out, SDI in. There's HDMI out, HDMI in. There's also a LAN cable and a USB cable input, and also there's a power input right here. And also, there's these buttons right here, as you can see. So there's also the power button, the input button. The input button in particular allows you to change the digital source input, right? Because some of them are SDI, some of them are HDMI, and depending on it, you can change it as you want, right? So there's also the menu option right here, which allows you to customize the menu option and the different options you have, right? And there's also the up and down, the enter buttons, which allow you to customize inside the Teleprompter. And then there's the mirror function. The mirror function in particular works a little bit specially because maybe you're going to have a glass here and you're going to have to reflect it. So when you see the reflection from the other side, you see it appropriately, right? So you press the mirror button as you need and the Teleprompter will reflect the image. And yeah, that's about it for this model.